of kisses. Bye, baby.
Alright, so we just missed the opening cutscene, but here we are playing Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. I am, of course, joined by Amy. Where oh,
Ethan,
she doesn't look as happy in this video.
you were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this,
She doesn't look happy in this one at all.
stay away. Ominous.
That is ominous.
Hey, it's Ethan.
Oh, hey. You alright? You just disappeared the other night.
Yeah.
Not good at the graphics
I'm
look.
good. I'm good. It's Mia. She wants me to come and get her.
Where is she?
Dulvey, Louisiana.
Dude, it's been 3 years.
I know, but
Why
what
would
if
you?
it is her?
Why would you be in Louisiana?
I have to find out what happened.
All right. So I'm not controlling the car, unfortunately. You alright?
Yep.
You good? You focusing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you controlling it now?
Not yet. Not until I get out of the car. I don't think. All right. Now I'm in control.
This is the place.
Can I sprint? I can sprint. Just go running through the bushes.
Oh,
Achievement.
God.
Straight away.
Oh, there's a building.
Ah, yep. Alright.
That wasn't much of an achievement. That was the opening scene.
I did it. I travelled to Louisiana. I can only walk up to this, apparently.
What, you can't even open it?
No, nope. Locked.
Oh, good start. Climb it?
Nope.
No.
I doubt that. Oh, here you
Oh, duh.
go. Hello. Let me press again.
I think it's broken.
Shit.
Or no one's home.
Well,
No, okay. That doesn't
we've
work.
established it doesn't work. Yeah.
Alright, I guess we go this way. The only other sane way to go.
That's not your vehicle, is it?
Look in the van. What have we got? Sewer gators.
Ew.
Join us. Alright, where do I sign?
You've convinced me.
Accept her gift. Okay, whose gift? Can I crouch? Is there a crouch? Oh, okay. There is a crouch. That's all I need to know. Bugs and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, why would you do this? Walking through the woods. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, good spotting.
Is that a bad guy?
I don't know. I know as much as this about you.
Oh, I can't move any faster than I am. I want to chase the bad guy down. Well, possible.
Why would you want to do that?
Well, he might not be a bad guy. Isn't like swamp people that are good guys?
Oh, no, turn left.
Is it? Oh,
What the fuck is that?
is that horse legs and saw blades?
Oh, it's very artistic.
It's lovely. Okay, let's go. Can't go this way.
Something's there.
Ugh! I don't know why I didn't see that coming.
That's like
That's
the rest of the cow
yeah.
that's not hung up over there.
All right, I guess we're going under this.
Oh, do we have to? Okay.
Yes. Seems so.
Hmm.
All right then. Is that a clearing? No, I can't get there. Okay. All right. So there's a water tower.
And there's another building to your right.
I think that's the same building. I think we've gone around.
What?
Like we're just at the back of the house now.
Oh, well, there's no fencing.
No. Well, I mean, we climbed under what they had as a. Oh, look, a bag. Driver's license. Oh, hey, it's me. That's Mia, wasn't it? I think it's Mia. Can I take the driver's license? I guess I did. Check inventory. Email from Mia. Achievement. All right. Aha. Obtain something by... Okay. Mia's driver's license. So I have Mia's driver's license. It's covered in a strange black substance.
Probably just dirt.
No, I think if they've gone to the trouble of labeling it a strange black substance, it's not dirt.
Oh, I didn't see that. I thought you were just stating it.
Swing. Nothing there. Can I get in there? No.
Oh dear.
Alright, let's go into the house that's got barbed wire over the windows.
Yes, let's.
Sounds like a great idea.
Oh, open door.
Oh,
Very
the door's
welcoming.
open. Alright then. In we go.
Oh, we don't have a camera
That's
with
dark.
night vision, do we?
Oh, no, we've got a torch.
That'll do. Oh, I don't like the black areas on the side.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
A to open door. Okay.
That's pretty good record.
And I'll close the door behind me. I didn't do that in Outlast, but I'm going to do it in this one. Ooh, did you hear that? Was that me?
I don't know. I thought that was the door closing behind
I
you.
got another achievement.
Behind closed doors.
Close. Close an open door by yourself.
Go you.
Alright, so I can't open that. I assume
I could
I'll
have told you that.
need bolt cutters or
Didn't
something.
have to try.
Canned food. What's for dinner, Mum?
Oh god. Head. No.
Ugh. Ugh!
Ah, fuck! Fuck!
Cockroach, lovely. What's in the
Crunchy.
drawers? What is this?
Something.
Unimportant letter. I can't open that. Oh, okay. Locked. Need a key. Microwave. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, it's a
bird.
crow.
Ew.
Cool. Alright. Where are the drawers over there?
Did we try the fridge?
We'll try the fridge now.
Dead body.
Oh, sticky.
Why?
Ew.
Ew, what died? Ew.
That's a good question.
Ew. Oh god, why is there a plastic bag in the oven?
In the trash?
Why?
I don't know. Alright then. Hello? Upstairs. Let's not go upstairs. Nothing there. Let's go this way. What is under here? So I wonder where that dude was that was outside went.
I don't know.
I wonder where he went. I haven't seen him yet. Let's try this door. Hello? Oh, okay. It's a picture of a woman. Dude's shoulder. Interesting photography. Fuse box missing a fuse. Piano.
Oh.
Well, that's just rude.
Yeah.
Cage. Well, that's not. That's ominous. Looks like, alright, so the owners. Okay, so we've got a big dude. Maybe that's the dude we saw outside. Fuck was that?
I didn't hear anything.
Didn't you hear like shit shattering or something?
No.
Okay. Alright, so we've got an old dude, woman, and 2 kids. Okay. Do we dare?
Press play.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
Oh.
I guess I have to find a video to play that. Alright then. We'll go this way. I wish I could up the sensitivity, can I? Oh, that's better. Oh, that's locked, okay.
Worth a try.
I guess we'll go upstairs.
Oh. If
Missed
we
it.
must.
Oh,
Oh, that's weird.
that's interesting artwork. Is anybody up here?
There's not much up here. It's weird there's only one room unless it's all
Where is
boarded
this?
off.
Oh, it's a save point. Alright then.
Well,
Let's.
that was so exciting.
It's a great checkpoint. Alright. Oh, a tape. Derelict house footage.
Oh dear.
Well, I guess we'll go play the tape and see what happens. Let's see what happens. Because in the beta you were a journalist or something, doing like a scary show or something. Like one of those ghost shows.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where did you find this guy? Give me a break.
I'm okay. So I guess I'm playing the
I only work
beta
with
again.
professionals. It's Speaking of which, make sure the sound is right this time. I don't want a repeat of Amarillo.
That was 2 fucking years ago.
I don't do ADR.
I don't like this guy.
This new guy, I'm not feeling it. Again? Just don't be surprised if we have to make a change. New plan. We do a walkthrough of the inside first, then we shoot the intro.
Just like we always do. Just try to say the show's name this time, okay?
No problem. Tonight on Sewer Gators, another worthless fucking shithole. Happy?
I got that. I have that on camera, you jerk. So, did you see what year this was? 2016?
Yeah.
Are we rolling? Alright, let's go.
What am I, an amateur? Of course we're rolling.
Get out of the way. It's locked.
I guess his boot was the key.
So, why are we in hell this time? Do you ever prep? What's the prep? Shitty house, spooky sounds? Ooh, is it haunted?
I'm gonna say yes, it is haunted.
Fuck me. How long do you say this place has been abandoned?
3 years.
It's chained shut.
Clancy, get a shot of this. Let's make a great cutaway.
At least it's nicer here. It's not as bad as it was.
Hillbilly Joe and his family go missing.
In what
Not
we're playing.
hillbillies, the Bakers. Jack and Marguerite Baker.
Same food.
Same,
though.
same
Uh,
food
They
for
were
dinner.
quiet, not back.
Same delicious looking
A lot of bad rumors
chum.
about their son, Lucas. Bad seed, apparently.
Still locked.
Is there still slime in the fridge?
No,
Still,
it's-
oh,
No,
my
no
bird.
crow in there.
Oh, shit.
Fridge, still slimy.
Still
I had my
pretty
shot.
gross. In fact, very gross.
Although-
Not pretty gross, very gross.
Make a great backdrop. Andre, what do you think? Andre?
Where's Andre?
Andre!
I assume Andre's the other guy.
Andre!
Where'd he go?
Clancy, you see where Andre went?
Interesting.
Andre's dead. Andre's absolutely dead, surely.
Where is he? Unfucking believable. This is the last time I work with that guy.
So,
I mean,
is the
producers,
character
they
you're
come
playing
and go,
before
but
any of
good
these three?
cameraman like you, Clancy,
No,
you stick
no.
with me.
This is footage of 2016, so I'm just some news reporter doing the Sewer Gators show.
Right.
And I'm the cameraman. And Andre is someone.
Yeah, exactly.
This guy must be the host.
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
I absolutely heard that.
Yep.
I'm a scared
I
Mr.
don't think it was the cockroaches.
No.
Andre? Where the fuck is he?
Oh! What is that useful for?
How are you holding the camera at the same
Andre,
time?
where are you, man?
It's one of those GoPro helmet
Oh.
things, yeah.
Duh.
All new TV shows are filmed like that. What use is that?
To protect yourself dramatically.
Ah!
It's just for effect, I think.
Yeah. Ah!
What the hell?
Ah!
Stop it!
What are you looking at? Oh, there's a lever. What is that? Oh.
You gotta fucking
Oh.
kidding me.
Ah!
Stop doing that.
Deal. We
New deal.
find Andre and we go. I mean, fuck this show.
Fuck Andre! Fuck the show, fuck Andre, fuck you. Can I just leave? Ah! I like that now. I want every game to have that feature. I don't want to go in the basement.
Is this... Oh yeah, first floor. Yeah, right.
You go in the basement.
After you, I insist.
You first. Need a
Ah!
nice hero shot of me coming down the ladder. So,
Yeah, you get a great angle from up here.
You first.
Oh, yeah. I guess I have to go first then. Down the ladder. Down the ladder.
I've expected the ladder to break.
Yeah.
What do you see? What is it?
Um,
Oh, there's some. Is that Andre?
that's Andre.
Just chilling there.
Andre,
Interesting.
you alright, buddy? Are you okay?
Oh!
Oh no!
Fuck happened to you?
Oh! Andre's dead. Now I want to use my hands. Oh fuck! Oh, there's a dude.
Oh dear.
Okay.
That went well.
So, there is a handle in the fireplace.
Yes.
I reckon that's where
Jesus.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
Wrong lever! Where is it? It's just here.
Yes.
Alright,
How did you not see that before, Nathan? Oh my goodness.
Sorry, Amy. Alright, so now that'll be open.
I'm sorry, why would we want to go down here?
Oh! So I can do it as this
Ew,
character.
more cockroaches.
Why would we want to go? I don't think we want to go down there, but I think it's what we have to do.
Part of the fun.
Yeah. Alright then. Let's see if we can find Andre. Oh shit.
See?
Makes more sense. Oh god.
Oh, okay.
That's a fall.
Spoke too soon on the ladder.
Damn it.
Oh, lovely.
Is Andre there? No.
It is moist down
There
here.
is blood. And... Oh, alright, so that's where Andre's face was.
Yeah, that was sort of holding him up.
It was.
It was gross. Oh, did you see that?
I did. Oh, you know what it is? It's the light from the torch.
Oh.
Reflecting off all that. That's realistic.
It is. That's pretty cool.
Now we're gonna... Oh, yeah. Oh,
yummy.
Oh, god. How long has this water been here?
Oh, I don't think that's not what worries me. It's what's in the water that worries me.
Yeah, what's in the water? What is that bubble? What is that bubble?
Ah!
What is...
Someone pull the plug.
Can I go under? No.
No, why would you want to?
This is disgusting. Why would you voluntarily do this?
He must really love his girlfriend, or whatever.
Well, she's been missing 3 years. Ew.
Ah!
Oh.
There's some serious ripples
This
going
is
on
all kinds of gross. I guess we just keep going on there. Ah!
there. God!
Oh, what the? Is that Andre?
I don't know.
Is that the camera
Same
guy?
kind of shirt,
Oh, that's yuck.
I think.
We just swam through that. Andre?
Are they missing people posters or wanted posters?
Missing persons, I think. Or a catalogue system? I don't know.
Is it weird that they sort of look the same? Like missing people and wanted, apart from the big
Yeah.
wanted letters.
Can I get through there? Is that a door? No. Okay, well this is all
Ooh.
lovely stuff. Oh! Fuck was that?
I don't know, I didn't... What was it?
Did you not hear that?
No.
It's like a door slamming or something.
No.
How did you not hear that? That was so loud.
You mean the creaky noise?
No, it was like someone slamming a door open or something.
No.
Well, that's the cell from the photo. Okay, so after a bit of a chat, what the fuck was that? Amy has decided to sit out from this because she's feeling a bit sick. I think she gets motion sickness from some of the games, so we'll just continue on without her. Let's see.
Mia?
Alright, so I can't get in. Oh, bolt cutters. And a list. Dead, turned, dead, turned. So a list of dead and turned people. Great. What does turned mean? Alright, let's just grab me and get the fuck out of here. Alright man, let's go. Oh wait, what if she's turned?
Mia. Oh, thank God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan?
Oh, she's okay.
Ethan?
Are you alright?
Alright then.
Should I be here?
What do you mean? You contacted me.
No, I wouldn't. Did I?
She's crazy, leave her.
Did anyone see you? Did he see you?
Who else is here? What the hell's going on?
Daddy's coming. We need to go.
Daddy's coming? What? What does daddy's coming mean? Daddy's here. I'm daddy.
Where are you taking me?
Someplace safe.
Are you gonna tell me what's going on? Baby, you've been gone for 3 years.
3 years? Has it really been 3 years?
Why are we waiting? What are you looking at?
What is this place? What'd they do to you?
Not now. We need to get out of here first.
Jesus
I think
Christ.
it's this way.
Go. Whatever we're doing, let's just leave. Why are we going slow? What the fuck is this? What is this room? That's not... What is that?
Mia, we have to talk. That message you sent me.
Not me. That wasn't me.
But you did.
I didn't.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what's going on.
I'm telling you everything that I know.
Alright then.
We have to go this way.
She's insane. And you should leave her behind. Let's go back the way we came. Because we know that way's safe.
Mia, are you sure you know where you're going?
Family used to bring me food through here. I remember.
Alright, let's follow Mia then. I'm gonna get killed because of you.
There. It's there. This is it.
No, nothing?
I
All right.
remember this room. There's another door here.
Oops.
I'm sure of it.
This room ain't so bad.
It's not here. It's gone. It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone?
We're gonna be a family now that you're here.
What?
There's another door here. I'm sure of it.
What does that... What? Are you alright?
Mia,
We gotta get out of here.
just stay here, alright? And have a look around.
Okay, so she's useless to me. What the... That is a creepy ass doll. Alright then. Ah!
No, leave me alone!
Mia?
Mia is gone, and there is now a door there. E001. Alright, you get a picture of your grandma. And there's no... I don't want to follow Mia. I don't want to go up these stairs. Ooh. Who open? No. No, I don't... Now it's nighttime and raining. Christ. Does the phone work? Shocking, and I think I heard the door close. The phone doesn't work, I'm not surprised by. And, yep, heard the door close. Fantastic. Guest house map. Alright. Okay. Red, I assume, will be locked. Yep, that's not surprising. Bathroom. No one behind the door. Toilet. Keep pressing Y for some reason. First aid med. First aid med. What the fuck was that? Someone knocking on the door. Who is it? Fuck was that? Hello? Hello, who is it? I don't want to go down here. Alright, let's go down. I'm slowly going, I guess it's story related because I can't go any faster. Oh shit! Oh, what's wrong with Mia? Oh god! Get it off! Punch! Punch it! Oh shit! What the fuck happened to Mia? Ah! Oh shit, she got a knife! I have no control. Fight back! No, resist! Ow! Oh god! Oh gosh, she just stabbed my head!
Wait.
Hang on, wait up! No! Ow! 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 Fight! Fight! Punch! Kick! Punch! Do something! Anything! Fight her! Oh! Oh, you're holding a blade! Oh god, fight! Do anything! I can't do anything! Push! Kick! Fight! Oh! What the hell just happened? Oh!
I can hear her.
What the fuck was that?
Feel her clawing her way back inside of me. Get out! Leave me alone!
Oh, what is... Okay. No, put yourself out. You do. Put yourself out. Good God. Where's the knife? Grab the knife.
What the fuck are you, Mia?
How are you so calm about this? RB use first aid med. Sure, that'll work. I feel better already. Where's the knife? Can I take the knife? Apparently not. Is there anything else in the bathroom that I missed? Alright then. You stay there. Yeah, I go down here. No, that's still locked. Alright, you... Alright, let's go to the... Where's the knife? Hang on. Oh, okay. There's a cut. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh. I'm trying to leave you. Good lord. She's got another stab weapon. Fight. Where's the knife? Bolt cutters. Anything. Oh, there's an axe. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Fuck off. Get away from me. I don't care who you are. I don't care you used to be my wife, girlfriend. Die. Stay away from me. Kill her. Kill her. Kill it. Oh! I'm so sorry. Oh, I am so sorry. Don't turn back after I've axed you. Oh. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a phone. Can I have the axe back? Apparently not. That'd be too easy. Well, she's dead, so... Alright then. Fuck.
You really shouldn't have come here.
Who the fuck is this?
Dude, what the fuck is going on?
My name's Zoe. You should be
Zoe.
going out through the attic.
Okay.
Attic.
Go there. Now.
Alright, where's the attic on the map? No, she better still be there. She bet. Of course she's gone. At least I have the axe back. So she's gone. Alright, so Mia's gone down here. There's blood. Definitely when Mia... She did take an axe to the neck. I'd be surprised if she wasn't bleeding. That's a dead end. Or back down that way. I don't want to go that way. Mia? Honey? You home? Time to leave. Oh, bolt cutters. I have bolt cutters now. Honey? Right. Bolt cutters, good. What crap is in here? Fuse. Oh, that'll be for the fuse box upstairs, right. Mia. Axe trumps. Well, you have nothing now, do you? You haven't got any weapon anymore, do you? Alright then. Go to the fuse box, which was in here. Nope, that's the wrong thing. That's the one. Honey, where'd you go? Huh? Come out. Oh shit!
It's okay. It's okay.
Fucking hell. Don't scare me like that.
To hurt.
Why? She's got something behind her back. Ethan, don't trust her! No.
Shouldn't have done that.
What the fuck?
It fucking hurts.
Oh! Oh! She is going to town on that hand. Pull it out. Pull it out. Where'd she go? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? She's got a... Is that a chainsaw? No! No! Pull it out! Pull it out! Pull it out, you idiot! Oh god! Oh! Oh, my hand! Oh! Oh, she just took your hand! What am I supposed to...
Must contain the outbreak. Gonna break. I promise. Must burn it all down.
What is happening to you, you crazy psychopath? What is... Oh, I'm just spurting blood! Can I have that back? I can! What am I supposed to do with this? I don't even have my axe anymore. How am I supposed to axe with one hand? Med powder, yeah. Med liquid. Well, alright, well that's... Well, now I'm not bleeding from the stump. What am I supposed to do with this? Fuck. I suppose upstairs is the next logical choice. Stairs. Oh, what does this do? Oh, I don't know what the fuck. Oh. I suppose I'll go up there then, but I'm going to save it first. Oh, what is happening? In the space of 3 minutes, she's attacked me. I've beaten her with an axe. I can't even I can't even block with 2 hands anymore because I have a stump. Did she get up here? No, the stairs weren't. The stairs were up. She can't be up here. Is she gonna burn it all down? What does that mean? Ammo. Oh, a gun. Give me the gun. What's reload?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, fine. You want to play this game? I'm gonna shoot you. One-shot headshot. I'll put you down. Open the door with your stump. Alright, I'm gonna one-shot headshot you for this. Might even go for a 360 no-scope if I can. Oh, someone's closing doors behind. I hate that. Come on then. Where are ya? Yeah. Handgun ammo. Good. Not that I need more ammo. Fucking shit. I hate doors closing behind me like that. Fuck you. Alright, so X is reload. I gotta reload with the stump. Fantastic. Alright, well there's nothing in the boxes. I did see a ladder there though, so I guess we'll go up the ladder to the attic. Right, that's right, Zoe said go to the attic. Well, isn't this the attic? Yeah, that sounds like the chainsaw again. Oh god, back, down the ladder, down the ladder, down the ladder, faster Ethan, faster! You stay the fuck away from me, you crazy chainsaw wielding bitch! Ah! Stay away, I don't want your pity headshot. Nah, okay. Another one. Nah, I missed. Another one. Oh, I gotta reload. Oh, stay away. I love you. Don't. Headshot. Stay away. No! Oh, I got another one. Stay away. How many shots to the head do you need to die? Just die, woman!
They're relying on
Jesus.
me. Everyone is relying on me.
I'm relying on you to die. Do I need to put one more in ya? How many times do I have to shoot a bitch in the head? Can I have the chainsaw? Of course, like, fuck, what was that? I didn't open that. Or did I? Stay dead. Alright, well that's not gonna do anything. What the fuck? Oh god! Oh shit! What the Who the fuck are you? No, please. Oh, alright, that's fair. What the hell just happened? Oh. Escape, is that what I did? I escaped from the guest house. I wouldn't call this escape. I'd say this is get taken prisoner from the guest house. Oh, I don't know if my heart can take it. Fuck, what is wrong with this woman?
Come on. Don't you die on us now. You have work to do.
Are you stapling my hand to my arm? What? I don't know what to think of that. Then again, that liquid stuff was pretty good. That stopped the bleeding almost instantly. Alright. Oh, what the fuck?
Where am I?
Hey.
What the hell?
Rise and shine, sleepyhead.
Who the fuck are you?
For supper.
You are ugly.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
You're throwing stuff at me.
Eat it. It's good.
Dumb son of a bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Alright then. Oh! What? Not again! You just cut his hand off! What do you mean not again?
To eat. He got to have his supper. Come here, boy.
What is that? Can I attack? No? I don't.
He's not eating it, Jack! He's not eating it!
Shut the hell up, Marguerite!
Get that for him!
Get the hell out of here!
She's getting.
Son of a bitch!
I'm sorry?
You believe it, he's son of a bitch! He's not eating it! He's not eating it!
This is supposed to be a very special feast.
I'd say that I'm sorry, but I'm not. No, don't stab. Whatever you're gonna stab. No, fight! Fight! Oh, he's cutting my gums or something. What are you? Oh.
Damn it! I'll bet it's that cop again. Goddamn pigs! I'm coming back for you.
What are you? Oh no, that's the owner of the house. Okay. And you're the weird woman from the photo. Alright. Ooh, I can wriggle. Oh. Alright. So I wriggled out of the chair. And my hand works? I have a functioning hand now. And I've lost my gun. Great. I'm not going that way. Sure as shit don't want to go in the kitchen. Sweet book. I don't care about that. 3 missing during trip. Something for that. What's in here? Handgun ammo. So I've got handgun ammo, but I don't have my gun back. Nico's Hardware. Saw rope pet collar. Why did you buy 20 pet collars? Why do you need 20 pet... I don't want to know why you need 20 pet collars. Is she watching me? She is. She's not dead. Are you... Can you do anything? Can I punch you? No. What the fuck is Grandma doing there? That's disgusting. Guess we'll go in here. Alright, what's this? It's locked. Okay, I guess I'll need a key. Herb. Sure, I'll take a trash herb. We got a double door? I'll go out this door. Nothing. That's locked, okay. It's nothing. Forget. What was that? Fuck was that? Someone's banging doors or something. Ah, this feels like a stupid idea. Alright, can I open that? Secured with tape that can't be tape that can't be removed by hand. Alright, so I need to find a knife. It says garage. Alright, so there's nothing out that way. Something definitely sounds like there's out that way. Alright then. Locked from the other side. Fantastic. Oh shit! What are you doing? What are you doing there? Oh, hey. Oh, fuck, he's coming. Yes?
Hello there.
Oh, fuck, he's fast! Let me out. He is fucking fast. Oh, Jesus Christ! Hello?
You're wasting your time.
No, please! Oh, God! No, you missed. Fuck, Jesus. Fuck you! Why do I run so slow? What is that? Hatch key. Hatch key, okay. No, I don't want that! Ah! Oh, I got nowhere to run! Ah! So I get pushed past you. Fuck this. Get out of my way! I gotta get to that hatch. Where was the hatch? Hatch! Go! Hatch, get off! Shit! Please! Oh! Oh, God. Oh! Oh, God! Oh, no, not my leg! Oh. You just cut my... Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, give me my leg back. Okay. Use what? Use, alright, fine. Gimme. What do you mean I can use this to fix my leg? What is... Oh, you no. That's... And it just sticks on?
What the fuck?
And it wo- Oh, God. Whoa! Oh, okay. Come on, then. I'll shut the door on you. Yeah, go on. Hatch key, hatch key, hatch key, hatch key, hatch key, hatch key. Hatch! Key! Open! Is he... Let me in! Let it fall! Get in! Close the hatch. Okay. Fuck me dead. So, there's some kind of... Antique coin. So there's some kind of undead, super strength, zombie turned something who have a super sweet elixir to cure all wounds. Bloody hell. What? Oh, okay, that'll be my health bar. Yeah, no shit, it's yellow. I just had my leg cut off. I guess I gotta climb up. Bloody hell. Alright, save point. I reckon that's a pretty good place to stop. Main house map. Read around, see what have I got access to. Chem fluid and herb. Combine items. Show combine list. Oh, okay, I can make... So that requires a chem fluid and a herb. Well, I can do that. Alright, what's this? Oh, I can store stuff in that. Okay. So the email... I don't need those. They really stink. Great. Old socks. I guess this is a safe house. Can I get Zoe on the line again? Apparently not. Alright, well. I guess we'll call that part 1. Oh, hang on, toolbox. Not a toolbox. Thing. Oh. You can open it. And a lockpick. Anything else? No, okay. Alright, well I guess we'll call that... What the shit? They're a... I have no idea what team that is. Alright, so I guess we'll call that the part 1. Thank you for watching. That was part 1 of Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Where this family is a bunch of fucked up fucks. Cheers guys.